Hey people, what is up? This is Animesh and today we'll be unboxing and having a first look and I'll be giving a review of the wireless earphones, that is the Boat Rockers 255. So let's quickly see what contents other than the earphone we get in the box itself. So let's quickly open the box and here it is. We get a extra ear tip that is of small size and large size. Other than that, we get a USB cable for charging the earphones. We get a 1-year warranty card by Boat. The instruction manual of this earphone is also provided in the box. And finally we have the other products listed by Boat and which are sold by Boat itself, like speakers and all. So yes, here is the box. Let's quickly take the earphones out of the box. And first look, the earphones are quite well finished and these are having a very cool look. I have ordered the green and black version of these earphones. Okay, so now I'll be reviewing these earphones, the wireless earphones by Boat, and starting with the earbuds. As you can see, these are joined and that means these are magnetic. Magnetic function does not have any other function other than keeping these two separate earbuds together, and these are angular earbuds. As you can see, these are slightly angled, which helps you with a better fit. And now a whole earphone is constructed in plastic. There is no use of metal other than these two earbuds. As you can see, only these two are made up of some sort of metal, and nothing in this is made up of metal other than these two earbuds. And again, coming to the neckband, the neckband is also comfortable and this is whole made up of plastic, so that's why the earphones weights very light. And so yes, this is a good part of these Boat Rockers 255. And this neckband is also quite comfortable and you can wear this for long hours and you won't feel any discomfort. In my case, I didn't felt any discomfort in this. Moving to the earphone cable, as you can see, this is flat, and personally I didn't like this that much because it is quite thin. As you can see, if the company had provided a thick cable, I would have surely appreciated it, but the cable is not bad, it's of very good quality, but again it is quite thin, and this may vary from person to person if you like the thin cable or the thick cable. So this is durable, this will last for longer time when you are using it. So now coming back to the design, as you can see, this is having Boat logos. In fact, the earphones are having many Boat logos. The company has emphasized on advertising too much. So coming back to the functionality of the earphone, as you can see, the light, they have provided an LED light that keeps on blinking blue when you are using it or when it is on standby, and it again comes back to red. It blinks 3 times and it comes to red when the battery is low or you have turned off the earphone. And again, considering the battery life, this is where the battery is stored. As you can see, this is the battery compartment, and from here you can charge it via USB cable through your laptop or any power source. So the battery life is quite good. Company has stated that the battery lasts for 5 to 6 hours standby, and yeah, in my case I have used this for almost 1 month, and the battery is quite good in terms of listening and playback time. The battery provides almost 6 hours of playback time, and this is quite good. The battery which is provided in the earphone is of 110 mAh. That is quite small number, but trust me, the battery lasts for quite a good time. So in terms of battery life, this earphones is quite good, and I will rate the battery life for 9 out of 10. And again, as you can see, that there are 3 buttons in this earphone. So this is the volume up button, this is the volume down button, this is the button for receiving calls and declining it, and you can also skip, you can also forward or rewind the music. Bluetooth range is very typical as provided in many other earphones, that is 15 to 20 feet. And in terms of the Bluetooth range, I would say the Bluetooth range is quite average, because when I was in the same room and I received call, there was nothing there was no problem in receiving and talking to the second party or listening to music, but after you go to the second room, the sound quality is okay, and if you exceed to third room or your hall, voice quality and the sound quality degrades a lot. So yes, the Bluetooth range is quite average, I would say. You can just listen to the music, and pretty much that is it. Now coming to the sound part, as you know, the sound is very important for a Bluetooth earphone. So the sound quality was good on this. This earphones also has a sort of noise cancelling function. This also has a sound noise cancelling function, and this is good for you when you're listening music. But again, you have to be careful when you're walking on road, as this cancels a lot of noise and ambience. The bass is very good. I would say the bass, if you're a bass lover, this earphone is having quite a good bassy sound. And again, to the vocals, the highs and lows, this earphone sort of lagged a bit, I would say. In terms of vocals, the ups and downs, I would rate it 6 out of 10. And again, I would suggest you this earphones if you're having equalizer on your mobile phones, as you can just go to the settings in the equalizer and you can just use the equalizer. And in terms of fit and comfort, I found these earphones quite good. I used it while running, jogging, and this didn't fall. And now you'll be seeing some of the picture how this will look on you. So at the end, I would conclude that you can just go for these earphones, buy both. These earphones, I must say, according to me, are the best budget earphones under 1500, and due to the Prime days, I got this for 999. So you can also get this for 999 via flash sales and all. And on my channel, I have reviewed and unboxed many other couple of earphones. I will be providing the playlist and the description of all those videos. If you want to check it out, you can just check out the link in the description box below. And this was it, guys. This was the video about these earphones. If you like the video, please make sure that you give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe and ring that notification bell icon so that you can never miss awesome content from my side. Till then, this is Animate signing off. Have a great day ahead.